What colors do you need to mix beautiful red paint? If you have magenta, you can add a little bit of yellow, mix it in very well, and you'll get a beautiful bright red. Let's put it on a piece of paper to see it clearly. Look at that. Such a beautiful red. And let's add a bit more magenta to our color mix to make the red a little bit darker. So beautiful. And then if we add a bit of water to our color mix, we can make our red a bit more transparent and light. Look what a beautiful result we are getting there. And if we add a little more yellow, you can see the red starting to look lighter and warmer. The more yellow we mix in, the brighter the red becomes. And another way of mixing a similar red is adding a bit of orange to your magenta. This way you are also getting a very beautiful bright red, like this. And again, you can add a bit of water to make your red more transparent. And the more magenta you add, the darker your red is going to become. Let's make it even darker by adding a bit more magenta. And let's go all the way and add a last final touch of magenta to our red color mix. What a beautiful range of reds we've created. And by the way, the color you are seeing on the left of the paper is the pure magenta, just so you know, as a comparison to our mixed reds. But of course, magenta is already pretty similar to red. So you might want to know whether you can mix red from very different colors. And the answer to that question is actually no, you cannot. Because red, or more specifically magenta, is a primary color. And therefore you cannot mix them from completely different colors. So if you want to put together a beginner color mixing set, you will need a magenta or red, and a yellow, preferably a primary yellow, and cyan or another blue. And I'd also add a white and a black so that you can easily lighten and darken your colors. And with such a set of colors, you can actually mix all the colors of the rainbow. And if you want to know more about beginner color mixing, check out one of these next videos. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.